Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Flow and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We search about the application of Flow. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.